Welcome to the Harper Tech Academy. Today I'm going to show you something very special. We've got beautiful tomatoes here. These are the vine ripened tomatoes and you want to maximize this in a dish. So we're going to do concasse today, which is a few steps that you need to take and is a real skill. So we're going to start, if we come down to the cutting board, again we're using our green cutting board. It's a vegetable. I have my little gripping mat underneath. I've got a paring knife and I've also got a cook's knife. So we're going to start off at the same time. I have a pot of water on to boil because we're going to blanch, which is plunging to cook in hot water, and then we're going to refresh into a bowl of ice, which I'll show you as we go along. So we'll start off with this bit, which is where it hangs from the tree. So we're actually going to take the eye of the tomato out and just running our paring knife. Really important that you use the right job. You can imagine trying to use this for taking the eye out. You might cut yourself. Now this is the key. We're actually going to cook the skin, and to cook the skin we're actually going to score the top. So I'm actually putting across, but you'll notice that my knife is not going too deeply into the tomato, and this is the key. We don't want to cut too deep. Now once we've done that, we have the water at a rolling boil. You'll see over there we have the bowl of iced water ready, and we've also got a slotted spoon. So we throw that into the boiling water, and you'll see now that it is just cooked on the skin. Scoop it out with the slotted spoon and refresh it very quickly into ice water to stop it cooking. Alright, now that that's done, you'll see here I have my bowl of ice water. I'm going to take that out, and I also have my scrap bowl here. And now what you'll notice, you cook it enough where you're able to peel the skin off. So I'll just slide that into the camera a little bit so you can see that. So now the skin just comes off. Now we just want to cook it enough to make sure that that skin comes off. If you cook it too much, it'll become quite floury and soft and squashy, and you won't be able to actually cut your concasse at all. But this is a key step, and I'm peeling that all the way down to the bottom. So there's now no skin on that at all. So have a look at that. You'll see that the tomato itself is quite shiny, and that's really important. Now wipe your hands, and this is where we move to the chef's knife. So I have my chef's knife, and we're actually going to cut that concasse, or that tomato, into quarters. Now we're actually using two knives here, you'll notice. So I'm putting that back down, and we're actually going to de-seed them and take all of those seeds out. And I'll just bring a bowl in here and take all of my seeds out. So we'll do half. Just be careful with your fingers. That's always looking at safety the whole time. Alright, now I'm going to leave that other half, and we'll do that a little later. Now the key here is we want no seeds in that. We're in a fine dining restaurant. I'll show you how to do it in a fine dining restaurant. So we've got to make sure that there are no seeds. Now you'll notice that that's just the skin. We're just going to press it down a little bit, and now we're going to cut that into 2mm strips, and then turn that around, and using our beautiful knife technique that we've learnt to actually slide down there for 2mm. Then the second one, same thing. So again, 2mm, and this is about knife skills, and this is one of the key skills that you'll actually need to work well in a commercial kitchen. So slide through there, and I give you concasse. beautiful, very versatile as a garnish for soups, salads, and it's just wonderful to eat. So thank you very much. We'll see you again at Harper Tech Academy. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to see more videos from the Harper Tech Academy, make sure you subscribe on the video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.